Assalamu alaikum dear students. Today we are going to discuss another method of this integration, that is integration using the trigonometric identities. You know that we have certain odd integrals for cos, tan, that is simple trigonometric functions like sine, cos, tan, cosec, sec, cot. Now the question arises how to integrate sine square or the cos square x. Now we cannot use here x raised to power n rule like we use in differentiation. So firstly we will use the identities to convert these square functions, that is cos square and sine square functions, into the functions with power 1, because we have standard integrals for cos and sine. We know that the cos 2x equals to twice cos square x minus 1, which implies that cos square x equals to 1 plus cos 2x upon 2. Similarly, cos 2x equals to 1 minus twice sine square x, which implies that sine square x equals to 1 minus cos 2x upon 2. So whenever we have this cos square or sine square, so convert cos square into 1 plus cos upon 2 this, and sine square into 1 minus cos 2x upon 2. Hence, the given integral, that is integral cos square x dx, becomes integral 1 plus cos 2x upon 2. Now here we can easily integrate this because it is 1 by 2 is constant, it comes out. Now we have 1, its integration is x. Integration of cos is simply sine 2x. Then we have to differentiate this angle with respect to x, but in denominator, that is it is simply 2. Hence this integration or indefinite integral of cos square is 1 upon 2x plus 1 upon 4 sine 2x plus c. Similarly, sine square, substituting this value, that is 1 minus cos 2x upon 2, it is 1 minus cos 2x upon 2. On different this integrating, we get 1 upon 2x minus 1 upon 4 sine 2x plus c. So in this way we can find the integration of any cos, or the cos square or the sine square, with any angle. Like if we have here 2x, in this while converting in cos, we will get cos 4, because here 2 is in formula. Now second type is like if we consider sine a cos b, we have to integrate sine a cos b. How to integrate, where a and b are the functions of x? Since we know that sine a into cos b, by using the trigonometric identities 1 by 2 sine a plus b plus sine a minus b, because sine a plus b plus sine a minus b equals to upon 2 equals to sine a cos b. Like if we consider sine 2x cos 3x, here a is 2x, b is here 3x. So we can write this sine a cos b in terms of this sine a plus b and sine a minus b as 1 by 2 sine 2x plus 3x plus sine 2x minus 3x. After simplifying this, we get 1 by 2 sine 5x. Now here sine of minus x, sine is odd function, which implies that we get minus sine x. Hence the given integral, that is sine 2x 3x, equals to 1 by 2 sine 5x minus sine x. Differentiating this, because we have standard integral for this sine, it is minus cos 5x upon 5, and minus integration of sine x is minus cos, that is plus cos by 2 plus c. So in this way we find the indefinite integral for any sine a cos b. Now the third type is if we have sine a sine b and cos a cos b. We know that cos a plus b plus cos a minus b is cos a cos b minus sine a sine b plus this plus cos a cos b plus sine a sine b, which implies that it is twice cos a cos b. Hence cos a cos b equals to 1 by 2 cos a plus b plus cos a minus b. Similarly, sine a sine b equals to 1 by 2 cos a minus b minus cos a plus b. So when we have an integral sin a sin b, convert it into this cos by 1 by 2 cos a minus b minus cos a plus b, or if we have cos a cos b, we convert it into this simple cos's, that is 1 by 2 cos a plus b plus cos a minus b. That is sin a integral sin a sin b dx equals to cos a minus b minus cos a plus b upon 2 dx, and cos a cos b equals to cos a plus b plus cos a minus b upon 2 dx. Like if we consider sin x sin 2x, we have to integrate this. It is here a is x, b is 2x, so it is cos a minus b using in this minus cos a plus b upon 2 dx, that is cos x minus cos 3x upon 2 equals to 1 by 2 sin x minus sin 3x upon 3. Similarly, we have cos 4x and cos 2x. A is 4x, b is 2x. So using a equals to 4, b equals to 2x, in this integral we will get this sin 1 by 2 cos 4x 2x is cos 6x. Now its integration with respect to x is sin 6x upon 6. Now here 4x minus 2x is 2x, it is cos 2x, and in this integration with respect to this x is sin 2x upon 2. So in this way we completed, we find the indefinite integral of this sin a cos sin a sin b and cos a cos b. So inshallah in tomorrow's video lecture we will discuss few more, the indefinite integrals, how we use the trigonometric identities to convert the given indefinite integral into the simpler one. So thank you.